Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use templates to save time in Google Docs. So to do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to your Google Drive. And after that, when we try to create a new document and create it with a template, we click on New. After that, we go to Google Docs, we hover it, and after that we go and click on from a template. And as you can see here, there is a lot of templates that you can use: resume or brochure or report, some more resumes, articles, newsletter, proposals, sales quote, and a lot of things, essay, and a lot of templates that you can use. And to use a template, you have simply just to click on it. For example, I will choose this one, just click on it, and the template will open, and you can change everything related to it, type or do whatever thing you want to do with it. And after that, you can save it and rename it and do whatever you want to do with it in an easy way. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.